What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. It's been a couple days. We were here on Saturday when they completed the track layout. We're back, and it's kind of a cloudy, gloomy day, somewhere in the 60s and 70s. But this weekend, it's going to get really cold. I know we talk about Florida winter, but it's going to be somewhere around 34, and highs for the day somewhere around 45. Parking took like, I don't know, almost 20 minutes. It's busy, it's holiday season. Ticket windows definitely have a line over here. And turnstiles have a little one also, not too bad. As far as the layout, everything else is looking really good though. Not seeing much work over here today. Last couple days, crews were installing the netting and whatnot. A lot of work over at the maintenance barn area where they're installing the roof, station area as well. I do actually see the netting in place now though, so that's good. After a terrible 1 minute wait, we're in the park. Definitely busier. I'm loving the temperatures though. Just in case if you were wondering, yep, Pipeline trains still here on display for photo ops. Rubber bloops, always good to see them. And it seems to be playing with the fish. Saving it for later, right? Split Point and Sky Tower is running. It was down for the last couple days due to some maintenance. Unfortunately, it's not in operation for guests. I don't see anybody on there, so that means we're gonna have to go over the bridge. A couple updates ago, we showed you the work walls. They're there right now. We're all the way over to here and then going towards Flamecraft. They're gone. I don't see anything crazy change-wise. We have arrived at the bridge. Yay! Again, track layout was done on Saturday, and right now focus is on the maintenance barn area, station, electrical, pathways, and all of the other fun stuff. Plumbing, irrigation. I'm expecting we're going to see some theme elements to the station starting to pop up soon, but as far as theme elements, those are going to be primarily towards the end of the build, so not for a little bit longer, but they're staying busy right now at least.
Where's the track? I don't know why, but
it may be tough to see during this view, but we'll zoom in a second. There is a new metal structure going up over here, possibly for a building. More good news, it appears crews are starting to place the cement underneath the metal flanges of the supports and the foundations, and that is vital before we get the ride testing. They got to do it for every single one of them. Icebreaker, currently showing a 30-minute wait, but that queue looks a lot longer than that. We're not going to be heading over to Bayside Stadium because, well, there's no real point. They're not doing anything with the track layout. So, another time when stuff changes. Work walls are still up around the former ice cream shop over here, and I'm not seeing any change. I know, we've been covering this for months now, and nothing's different. Infinity Falls, and it was down for an annual, maintenance-wise at least. Kind of weird. There's no boats in the trough right now. There are employees stationed all over the site, but I don't see any boats actually running. Over here, 0-minute wait it says, but there are ropes up in front. So I don't know if it was open earlier or if it's going to open, but as of right now, no boats. One small thing that is nice to see, new wood on here. Since it is next to water, it gets warped and damaged pretty easily like the ones you see over here. But yeah, new wood, just need to get it painted. Mako! And it's currently showing a 50-minute wait. And that's with 2 trains, so that should give you a good indication of just how busy the park is. And a lot of the seats are filled up too. Shark encounter, and it's been a little bit since we've checked up on the hammerhead. Let's do that now. And here we go. A little different. Moving walkway is not working today, but it means we should get some better views. And there's the hammerhead. Alright, that was pretty cool to see the hammerhead again. I will note, a couple weeks ago, it was kind of swimming around in circles at the top. But now, since it's more comfortable in its new environment, it's swimming down all over the place. Seems like a happy shark. Empire of the Penguin. It has been quite a while since we have covered this, but there is a very, very important reason why we're over here right now. So, rumor has it, within the next month or so, we're gonna have some prep work starting for a possible new roller coaster. You know how they've had all those straddle coasters and whatnot opening up at the other SeaWorld parks? Well, possibly gonna get one here at Empire of the Penguin. We'll keep you updated. All right, so there is the accessibility ramp for Sea Lion and Otter Stadium. Right across from it, work walls. What? That's kind of weird. Again, we are just talking about how Empire of the Penguin might be a new roller coaster eventually, and what do you know, work walls are up. So it does appear that we're gonna have to start paying attention over here, just in case we see markings on the ground. But again, work walls up in 2 separate areas by Empire of the Penguin. All right, the more I look around, the more stuff I'm finding. There is a survey marking right there. So that is very good to see if we are indeed gonna have a new project. Sea lions and otters over there. Again, just look at how big this area is already outside with the work walls. Generally, if we see markings like what we did over there on the ground, we'll start to see ribbons and things like that for removal of brush or notifications that there's irrigation or sewage, plumbing, that kind of stuff. But yeah, a lot of stuff is probably gonna be going on here soon. I've been looking around all day for the construction ducks. Finally found them. There's Sky Tower, still doing test runs. Have not seen any guests on board it. So unfortunately, guys, will not be taking a ride today. No! Once again, some decent views from the bridge, but best views of everything going on right now, at least construction-wise, is from the parking lot. We're gonna head over there now. Unfortunately, not enough has happened for me to fly the drone, so not this update, guys. Sorry. A lot of the braces right there on the inversion for the netting. You already know, ladies and gentlemen, it is the time for best part of the video. Pink chickens. And I am very happy to report that Sprinkles and Sundae are in the exhibit today. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Work going on for the station, maintenance barn, and overall general area looking pretty good. The exciting part of today's video though was seeing work walls up and markings for a rumored new 2024 roller coaster over by Empire of the Penguin. Crazy stuff as we're still covering Pipeline right now. Manta doing a flyby, and of course we're going to have plenty more updates for Pipeline and possibly that new 2024 roller coaster. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Midway Mayhem. And I'll see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.